Selective color is a powerful tool that lets us change specific colors within an image. We have 6 preset colors here to select from, or we can choose a specific color from the image with the eyedropper. Let's start by selecting the yellows. Now, in the sliders below, we can adjust only the yellows in the image. With the hue slider, we can make the yellows more green or more magenta. Use saturation to adjust the intensity of the selected color and luminance to adjust its brightness. The range slider lets us adjust how many shades of yellow are affected. Increase to affect more yellows. I'll tweak the reds a bit as well. Reducing the range for both these colors will avoid moving the shade of color in the sky too much. Next, let's jump to this image of tulips. For this image, rather than selecting from the preset colors, let's use the eyedropper to select a specific color from the image. The color we choose will take the spot of the currently selected color here. So, when doing this, it's good to first select the color closest to what you are planning to sample with the eyedropper. For this one, it could be red or magenta. I'll stick with magenta. Then, grab the eyedropper and select the color in one of the tulip petals. That color is added to the palette here, and I can adjust its sliders. I'll do the same for the green leaves. We can use selective color to perform anything from a subtle color correction to a drastic adjustment to several colors in a single image.